adding a direct link to the content for a research summary. So in the sources field, we need to paste in a URL that takes us directly to the content. And we want this to be a PDF if it's available, but if not, it'll be a web page. I'm just going to show you on this Trello card, for instance. So this Trello card, if we click on the link in the description, that should take us to the content. Now it actually takes us to a landing page. It doesn't take us to the actual content. So if we were to go to download options and then full paper, this link here is the one that we actually want because this takes us directly to the PDF. So rather than using that link that was in the Trello card, we would copy this link and put that here in the sources field, which it already is there. So if we go to this one here, it opens directly to the PDF. You can add another row, but only add another URL if it takes you directly to that article or PDF.